Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm taking you through my move out, move back in, room transformation, getting my room all together, everything like that. I just want to give a little explanation, I guess, because a lot of people are confused. If you don't know, I moved out of my parents' house in August with two of my friends, Vanessa and Melanie, with the intention of it being a short-term lease. I knew it was going to be a short-term lease. We originally signed our lease for 4 months, and it was that short because both of them were going to be moving to their colleges afterwards. And I moved out because, 1, I had the opportunity to, 2, it sounded like fun, and 3, I don't know, I knew it was going to be short-term lease, wanted to try it out, why not? So I moved in, we ended up living there for 4 months, and then I extended it another month and a half-ish. It was kind of weird at the end, but I was living there for about 5.5 months. And since I moved in knowing it was gonna be a short-term lease, I knew I was gonna be moving back to my parents' house afterwards, so that's what I did. I moved back here for the time being, just until I move out again. I don't have anyone or anywhere to move into right now, so of course I'm moving here. But if I move out within the next, 6 months, again, I will not be surprised. And when I do move out for the next time, that will be what I think to be, my official move out. I won't be coming back. I just wanted to explain this because a lot of people are confused of why I'm moving back here, and that is just because that was my intention from the very beginning. I just knew I had the opportunity to move out for a little bit, so I decided to take it. But yeah, now I'm back. In this video, I'm just showing my whole move out, move back in, and room transformation. I don't really have that much else to say, so I'm just gonna get started into the video. Yeah, let's go. I am not looking my best. That is because it is 5 p.m. I have been up since 9 a.m. working, I have already been at my parents' house once today. I drove all the way there, I drove all the way back. I had a doctor's appointment I had to go to, so I went to that. Then I got gas, and then I have been here for the rest of the day packing and cleaning the whole place. So I have a ton of boxes and pretty much everything I own in the living room right now, along with a bunch of trash bags. It is Thursday, I move out Sunday, but I'm trying to get as much done as I can sooner. We're gonna load all this up. We are going to bring it back to my parents' house. I'm gonna go back to my parents' house, and I'm gonna come back here, clean as much as I can before 8 p.m. because at 8, I gotta leave to the airport to pick up my friend Bryce. So we're gonna go pick him up. And he's gonna be here for the rest of the move out time, and you'll probably see him in the video, along with the other girls that I'm living with right now. So, I'm so tired, but I can't stop now. So yes, I'm gonna go get the other girls upstairs and have them help me load the truck up. And then I'm gonna drive all the way back to my parents' house again for the second time today. We just brought everything out, now we're gonna unload it in the truck. There's a lot. This is a whole workout.
Yeah.
Yes. Basically, now I'm gonna drive to my parents' house and unload everything into my house, and it's already dark outside, so that is a little annoying, but it's supposed to rain. I don't like driving in the rain. Okay, I'm at my parents' house, I'm in the garage. We're gonna put everything I own in the garage right now. I don't know if my camera's gonna make it throughout the whole time lapse because it's about to die, but we'll show as much as I can, and just know that we're basically it's the same exact time lapse you saw earlier of all the same stuff. I'm just putting it in the garage. zoomed in. We're at my house now. I drove here and we're gonna unload our first load and then go back to the apartment. The girls are finishing up like cleaning and packing, and then we're gonna come back here again. Yeah. Do you wanna see my tattoo?
Yeah.
Do you know where I got it? Did I tell you?
Yeah, behind your ear.
Yeah.
Does it have color?
No, it's just black and white.
Oh. I don't know what flower it is, but it looks cool.
Do you like it though?
It looks cool.
Does it look nice?
I like it.
So basically I didn't get to film The Last of Us moving out because my camera's about to die and I packed my camera, tried to talk really fast, but we're fully moved out, which is very sad. So I'm gonna show you my empty apartment, and the last thing I have to do is take down the Gibby tapestry and we're ready to go.
Poor Gibby. How do you get this off? Ow!
So yeah guys, that's the end of this apartment. I filmed it when I moved in and I'm filming it when I moved out.
I just was not there for the move-in.
Nope, I didn't. Oh, I didn't know you had to move in. I met you the day after the move-in.
Oh yeah. What if I just step in this like... Here, wait. Let me take a picture.
What if?
What if what? Ledge.
I don't want to say goodbye.
I like really sad music.
I know, but it feels like I've known you for so long. I've been playing kitchen. This is gonna be so good for videos. Gosh, I have these beans. We have to film actually like taking it all out. You cannot tell me you didn't do it.
I gave you that switch.
So after that, we moved everything into my house. And that was all for that night. And then a couple days passed by. And then the next few days are just like me unpacking stuff. I didn't really explain it. But yeah, we moved everything back here. Then I was back at home. Hello, I'm unpacking, kind of, maybe. This is the state of my room right now. Unpacking everything I own is hard. I'm also just throwing away everything I own because I decided I don't want to own anything anymore. So I'm throwing a ton of stuff away. See, I'm not gonna film that much of me unpacking because it's not anything that's fun. It's just like me putting things away. So of course, here is my door. Once you open that, this is what you see, just like an overview of my room. And then when you shut the door, I have this mirror, which was my only mirror before. I was thinking about taking it down because I have another mirror in my room, but then I thought I could have two. So I have two mirrors now. Anyways, here is my bed. It is a Murphy bed, which I know you saw earlier in the video. I was putting it together. I will show you the bed when it's down, once I'm done with the room tour. Because it is a queen size bed and my room is not very big, so it does take up my entire room. But yes, I have this Murphy bed. I feel like I'm gonna get questions on this. It is from Costco, I believe, so that's where I got it. And then over here I have this clothing rack with some of my, you know, girliest clothing on it. I decided to put cute, like light colored clothing because I thought it looked nice. I am planning on getting more hangers to put back there. Luckily, from like this angle, you can't really see that it's lacking some clothes. I mean, you can, but you know, it's good enough for now. I will add some more, but I have to order them. So for the time being, this is what I have. And then I have this subscribe sign down here, which if you watch my very first room tour video, I actually made it in that video. I'll link both my room tours, room transformation videos down below if you want to go check those out. And over here, I just have my mirror. This is my big mirror. Behind there is just like all makeup beauty stuff. So we're gonna pretend like it isn't there though. Yes, here's my mirror. This is where I take all my mirror selfies. Follow me on Instagram because I post a ton of like outfits. So yeah. Then I have my dresser. On top I just have some water, my phone, and my laptop. And then these 4 drawers are completely full with clothes. Like I can hardly open them, but that's okay. And then up here I just have these giant windows. Coming over here is my shelf. This was in my past room in the apartment too. I have my play button right here. I would put it higher up, but the holes in the wall were already there. I don't really want to make more, so that's good enough. I have this little wooden man, a globe, Polaroid camera, a little plant, a plush avocado that my subscriber Poppy sent me to my P.O. box. I'll put my P.O. box on the screen. I've realized I've not spoken about it in a while, but yes, I have a P.O. box. Then down here, I have this little Apple thing filled with a ton of Polaroids. And then my big camera, my little camera that I'm filming with right now normally sits here. I have some CBD, candle, hand sanitizer, and then this like pitcher thing filled with hair ties. Then down here, I have some books, this bag full of jewelry, and my AirPods case. On the bottom shelf, I just have some Polaroids. And then in here, I keep all of my like cameras, not all of my camera gear, but some of my camera gear and like chargers and stuff like that. And I have it in this crate that I covered by this picture that my dad took in Hawaii. Then to the right of the shelf, I have my love sack. I love this thing. It is my favorite part of my room. It is so comfortable and I'm obsessed with it and I could lay in it all the time. I've slept in it many times. Not here, at the apartment I've slept in it. Not many times, probably like 3 times, but it's very comfortable and I love it. And then right here I have this painting that I did because I'm such an amazing artist. Definitely not at all. I did this with paint by numbers over the summer. I spent like 14 hours on it. I am not that talented at painting whatsoever, but paint by numbers makes it pretty easy. I also gave that to my mom as a gift, but I guess she didn't want it because she hung it up in my room, so that's okay. And then I have the vines that were there from the very beginning, this little A, and the rest of that shelf is empty. Then I just have my closet and we are back at my door. So that is my room without my bed down. It's pretty simple. I like keeping things simple. That big shelf, you might think, like, why do I have such a big shelf when I'm not gonna put anything on it? It's honestly just because it's too big. Like, I feel like if I filled it up halfway, it would look awkward, and I don't have enough things to fill it up all the way, and I don't want to go out and buy things to fill it up. The reason why I'm not really putting a ton of money into this room is just because I don't know when I'll be moving out again. So I don't want to put a ton of money into this, and then, you know, in 3 months, I get an opportunity to move somewhere else, and then I just spent a bunch of money on this room. You know, I've hardly bought anything for this, but yes, I'm now gonna put down my bed. Then you just pull this over. Pull up my love sack because they kind of touch each other. And here's my bed. This is what my room looks like when my bed is down. It really takes up like the whole room. So, you know, when my bed is down, I'm on my bed. And then when it's up, I have like a pretty decent sized room. So I really, really like this. I think it's super convenient because I get to choose when I want a bed or not. And I've never had a bed bigger than a twin, and that's a queen size bed. So I feel super fancy with it. But yeah, that is my whole room. I'm actually super happy with it and hope you all like it too. Hope you all are excited for videos back here. I am back posting every single Tuesday and Saturday, no missing. So I hope you guys are excited. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to subscribe, it helps me out a ton. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who watches my videos. Like, it means so much to me. You guys have made all of my childhood dreams come true, and I appreciate you all so much. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.